Man broke. Then the next thing me want on a big woman know, I'm gonna say this. Next thing, police power with gunman a popping, my murderer. And police have their gunman run him. Blinga take all the money by gun. Tell her to come sue me. Tell her to come sue me. Then who never know? Then you don't know say police are criminal. You see, me don't know why me always criminal. Criminal people always a come for me, no criminal always want me to be criminal. No. So you never know say that is why I told you the other day when them mix up in the allegation. The reason why Blingers don't want to talk about the allegation, the Dan man them I say make sure the argument they squash because them don't want the dog man run them I say them name mix up in a Batman argument. Them beat him blood clot. Them beat him up. Beat him in the community, box him up because of the whole situation with the whole homosexual argument. So Blingers a kill the argument because the youth them in the community I try to say yo them don't want that. So I threw him in some bad man thing in a Papine. Everybody know Papine go up there. So that is film problem. Because another thing I understand, mind you, he's not a bad man, he's a bad man boy. What's the difference? Bad man boy, like me in a high place, would I need a bad man? No, the bad man would have send the boy, like him. You get me? I'm trying to say, say him is the bad man boy. Say him not really a body, you know. The big man, them take him up for go do things and then come up because him is a bad man boy. Unlike me and the boss, we go to the bad man, him a bad man boy. Okay, so she take a bad man boy and down in Jamaica, right? And then take him money go small island and turn back, say no one go buy play, no one go buy fence. His mother say no for do it. And laugh after them, you fuck, I said then you spend money, make the man go small island, and then he say mother say never take a fence. So you know, me no, them only know say, only diamond know say leave. Me say alright, it's cool. Me not gonna say nothing. Not gonna say nothing. Yeah, he there. You have man, a man go small island, and move say no for come back. A man better jump fence. You know, I don't say me say.